once again driving down the back roads of South Carolina, and I stumbled across this. Is that effing cool or what? I don't know how long these things have been sitting here. I should say we, because I got Truly with me over there climbing across the tracks right now. Yo! Watch out for trains! I think those tracks are pretty dead. So look at these guys. I'm going to look this up online. JRWX 132. Never even heard of that company, I guess. Here you can get a really good look at the old style. Look at the horns up there. Is that cool or what? Look at that. Hey, she's on it. And smash. Smash and crash. Look at the wheels on this thing. Gives you a good idea of all the construction that goes into these babies. That is called heavy machinery. Look at the spring on that bad boy. And it's a little heavier than a car, right? It's got a pivot on the inside, so when you're going around corners, it can spin. See that? And that is probably a gas tank. That doesn't seem like a big enough gas tank for this train, but... And that's the diesel engine, boy. Look at that. That is huge. Like, now your dress totally matches.
Oh, cool.
The that'd make a great shot, artistic shot. Another huge. Here's JRWX 94. Oh, the door's open on this side. Dual headlights on the back end here.
Wow, it's just amazing the way nature is just completely reclaiming these tracks and these cars.
No doubt. I'm gonna go up inside this one real quick because the door's open.
Yeah, there's stuff there.
Oh, look at the steps here too. I have to come back here with my camera and do a photo shoot. You can climb up on top, up that ladder there, and shoot a fight sequence. Pretend it's moving. Oh, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see, there's the back of the headlights. And it's just a little thing there. Some hydraulic stuff maybe. There's some more down there we'll check out. If I don't fall down the stairs here. Look at that chain. They pull a lever on that, and it pulls on this, and it does a braking job. There's your brake chain right there. Now let's take a look at this real quick. I guess they retired these bad boys. There's the coupling, if you guys are interested in that. The hydraulic lines there, kill switch, or release valve. Don't want to get caught in that. Look at this. Here you go. There's a seat over here. And a fan. It's an engineer's seat. So that's what it looks like, folks. Driving down the road. I should say driving down the tracks. And look looking out at the cars going by. And here's the control panel. I think I might be able to get a little wider. Nope, that's it. Digital controls though. I was surprised to see that just now. So it can't be that old. There's your handles. There and there. Pretty dang cool. You got air conditioning system of some sort up here. And there's your second engineer watching the other side of the tracks out this window. Tinted, so you don't get blinded by the sun. All right. Let's go take a look at these older ones. Well, there she is. Did you peek inside the driver's cab back there on that other one?
I went up inside this one.
Okay, cool.
There's some kind of like beeping back there, like I don't know if it's like an EPIRB type thing or what.
It might be.
From that thing on the other side of that engine. This makes me think of that scene in Inception where that train engine just suddenly just comes right through the downtown area.
Oh, gotcha. For those that don't know, she mentioned an EPIRB that might be beeping back here. An EPIRB stands for electronic pulsating beacon, and they use those in shipping containers when they go out to sea in case they fall over the edge. They can find them, not necessarily to pick them up, but so when they're going through the shipping channels, they don't hit them with a different ship because they float like 15-20 feet underneath the water before they get buoyant, and they just stay there. And then they've got radar that can pick up the pulsating beacon sound, and then they can avoid hitting them with the next ship that's coming by. And eventually they use it to pick it up as well.
Oh, it's probably coming from...
Huh.
I think it's a security device.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it is an alarm.
There's an alarm going off here. So maybe they got something inside there. It is locked. So there's even more back there just with vines growing all over it. So let's let me take a look at this for everybody real quick, and then we'll walk down a little bit farther and check it out. I'll follow you up the staircase, Troll. Why don't you show everybody?
Let's see.
JRWX. Come on aboard.
Well, clearly people have done target practice here on the
Oh, that's too bad. Vandals. Here's where you put your batteries. Look at that. There's still a battery down there. Look at the size of that battery.
Yeah, there's like a couple of
3 in 1.
A whole bunch of seats and
Oof, this is even older than the other one I was just in. This is not digital, folks. The other one had the digital readout you saw.
wow.
This is all run through hydraulics and the old and so you can still move the switches. Ain't moving that one. That one moves still. Pretty cool. Boy, look at this stuff.
a bunch of
This would take some training.
like a fuse box right there.
Yeah. There's what it looks like from inside when you pass another train. Look out!
This is like solid old-fashioned
There's
glass.
engineer Truly getting her fill of asbestos.
Oh,
She's like, in that case, I'm on
5-minute rule. You can stare 5 minutes and then you'll just spontaneously combust.
That's different than the 5-second rule when you drop something on the floor. You don't want to stay in here 5 minutes.
More than 5 minutes.
Do not live inside this cab, in other words. Cool, let's walk down to the woods over there and see what we got over there. See, that could be the video. Truly presents heavy-duty machinery in a flower dress.
Yes, because they go together so well.
Yeah.
Nothing says railroad like this.
That says railroad. Well, at least the boots. She's got her snake boots on, folks. Just in case you're wondering, let me get a close-up of those boots as I come by. Those are called snake boots.
And a snake cannot bite through them.
Supposedly, you can't get bitten on below the boot on that. We used to live in the mountains of California, and we'd have rattlers all the time, so that was definitely a concern. Walking around in our woods and stuff up there.
Here they have copperheads, so how handy. I already have
Yeah.
the secret. Yay!
Look at the vines that overgrew this old railroad cart thing here.
Supposedly still on the tracks? I think they're on.
Yeah, they're sitting there. There were tracks.
Now it's a planter.
Yeah, really. That would be awesome to have in the backyard.
Good vegetable garden.
Good luck getting that up, though. I wonder what the hell this thing was, because look at this metal plate here. It's like part of this the spring. That's the springs, actually. That's the leaf springs right there, folks. Holy mackerel. That is heavy duty. Old boxcar. Boxcar Willie right here. Williametta. Boxcar Williametta.
You can still see the tracks.
Yeah, the tracks are under there. Not doing very well, but... And then the final one.
And again...
And this would be called the hobo house, I guess, right here. What's that you just say?
We're just, again, we're in a field of flowers. Look at all these white flowers. Like, look at them all.
Yeah. It's everywhere out here. Look at that. There's a ladder someone used to climb up. Some old engine. Guess we could have got in from
Who's a
this.
what's it and a whatchamacallit.
Yeah, who's a what's it and a whatchamacallit.
Somebody put a ladder there so they could still
Nice.
get in.
All right, railroad junkie.
Woo!
Railroad slim. There she goes. All right, folks. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Hit that like button and share if you want. Feel free, and we hope you have a great day. See ya.